Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to make a job application from using Google Form with ChatGPT AI. Let's get started. Type the make a job application from make this on Google Form script. Now copy this script and go to the Google Form. Take a new form and click the three dot app script and paste the script and click the save project to drive. Now run this script and permission now rename this project and close the tab. Go to the Google Form home and open the form. Now check your Google Form. Now you can edit, modify, remove, etc. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.